We all know from experience that a house divided against itself will not stand. We all know that the People's National Party is a vital part of the democratic tradition of Jamaica. I would go so far as to say that without the People's National Party, which championed the right of every Jamaican to have a vote, without the PNP, there would be no Jamaican democracy. The People's National Party has been the voice of progress and social upliftment in this land, benefiting thousands, nay hundreds of thousands, nay millions of Jamaicans over the life of the party. Generations, including myself, have benefited from the opening up of access to schools led by the People's National Party, beginning with common entrance. Thousands upon thousands of Jamaicans have got access to better housing because of the National Housing Trust, formed and established by Michael Norman Manley, and because of Operation Pride during the time of P.J. Patterson. Thousands of Jamaicans in the twilight years of their life have benefited and continue to benefit from the Drugs for the Elderly program implemented by the People's National Party in the 1990s. Don't make no one come tell you, say nothing never happened for 18 years. Tell them, go with that. Time come for truth to be told. So hear me now. The People's National Party is a vital part of our national inheritance. Generations of progressive people have had a voice in this land, have had the opportunity to shape the contours of our national life only because of the People's National Party. It has given us voice. It has given us presence in the country. It has given us a vision of a better future. It is our inheritance and we have to protect it. So if you love the People's National Party and you're a Norman Manley PNP, I say come on board now. If you are a Michael Manley PNP, come on board now. Time come. If you're a P.J. Patterson PNP, come on board now. Time come. If you're a Portia Simpson Miller PNP, come on board. Time come now. And for all the people that said them a Peter Phillips PNP, come on board now.
Turn up the thing. Turn up the thing. Turn up the thing.
This party is too important to us. It's too important to our history. It's too important to our children and our grandchildren for us to make any little personal issue or side show. Our side this, our side that. Stop the mission of the People's National Party. Time come now.